Tired of the clutter bringing you down? Time to clear the chaos and supercharge your life. Clutter isn't just a mess in your home, it's a mess in your mind. Studies show a tidy space can make you happier and more productive. Imagine a calmer, more focused you. Pick one small area, your desk, kitchen counter, or closet. Don't overwhelm yourself. We're taking this one step at a time. Start by emptying the space completely. Create 3 piles: keep, donate, sell, and trash. Only keep what truly adds value or joy. Now, organize what's left. Use bins, trays, and labels to keep everything in its place. Consistency is key. Spend a few minutes daily to maintain the order. Hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Share your decluttering victories in the comments. Remember, one small change today can transform your life tomorrow. Go on, declutter, and watch the magic happen.